Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about how to squat properly, and I'm also going to give you some tips on how to squat. Watch this video till the end and you're going to find out what's the most dangerous mistake people make and they don't even know about it. Tip number 1, your tempo. The squat consists of 3 distinct phases. The first phase is the slowest because we need to establish balance at the beginning of the movement. The second phase is controlled as we descend. The third phase is the fastest because we aim to trigger the stretch reflex, which helps us explode upward and complete the lift. Tip number 2, the setup. Many people overlook the setup, while experienced athletes often do it automatically. However, it's essential to approach it deliberately. You should avoid initiating the movement with your hips or knees first. Squatting is a 3D movement, engaging all the 3 planes of motion. And because of that, you need to ensure the proper alignment. Push your knees outward slightly. This keeps your back in a neutral position, your feet firmly planted, and your balance intact. Tip number 3 is breathing. Correct breathing is crucial for stability and engagement during squats. Exhale during the final phase of standing back up. Inhale deeply when starting your movement and hold your breath as you descend. To visualize this, think of holding your breath like you're going underwater. Inhale, hold, squat. Exhale as you resurface. It's very important to learn the abdominal breathing because this is the breathing that we are going to use while squatting. To learn the abdominal breathing, follow these steps. Place your hand on your abdomen and inhale. Your hand should move outward when you inhale and inward when you exhale. Out, in. Step 2, place your other hand on your obliques. Both of your hands should move outward when inhaling and inward when exhaling. Finally, you should hold your breath in your throat and brace your core this way. Slightly pull your ribcage to your pubic bone. Slightly and not excessively. This locks your core, providing the stability and balance to start the movement. And it's time to find out what's the most dangerous part of the squat. You can pause the video, write your answer in the comments, and then come back to find out. So, the most dangerous part of the squat is removing the bar from the racks and stepping backward. This moment is risky because many people focus on the squat itself and neglect the critical step. Over time, the poor technique here can lead to micro traumas and injuries. Here are some key tips for safe bar removal. Never lift the bar with your back or unevenly with one leg forward. Imagine lifting the bar vertically upward. Grip the bar evenly with both hands. Position your hips directly under the bar before lifting. Remember to engage your breath during the process. When stepping backward with the bar, engage your glutes. for added stability. Limit yourself to 3 steps to reduce unnecessary movement and maintain balance. Mastering your squat form takes time, but with these tips you'll build a solid foundation for effective and safe squats. Remember that consistency is the key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video to support the channel, subscribe for more fitness tips and tutorials, comment below with any questions or additional squat tips that you would like to mention. Let's keep improving together. See you in the next video.